happens when five little monkeys jump into a pool. Do they splash? Do they giggle? Do they follow every rule? Come along and see what these silly monkeys do. A pool day adventure made just for you. Five little monkeys splashing in the pool, making waves and laughing, breaking every rule, jumping up, diving down, singing woohoo! Five little monkeys having fun like they do. On a sunny, sparkly, shimmering noon, five little monkeys found a pool like a lagoon. They chattered, they cheered, they hopped in a line. Let's jump in together, this is gonna be fine. With floaties on their arms and goggles super cool, they got ready for a day of monkey fun in the pool. But wait, could they splash without making too much mess? Could they play nicely? No monkey silliness. Could they stay out of trouble, not slip or fall? Could five silly monkeys follow any rule at all? Down came the first monkey, splash so high, water sprinkled everywhere, right into the sky. The second monkey giggled and belly flopped in, making the others burst into laughter again. The third did a twirl, look at me spin, while the fourth slapped waves with a cheeky little grin. The fifth monkey paddled like a speedy swimming pro, zooming past the others shouting go, go, go. They splashed and they whooshed, they played side by side. The pool became an ocean with the monkey-made tide. Five little monkeys splashing in the pool, making waves and laughing, breaking every rule, jumping up, diving down, singing woohoo! Five little monkeys having fun like they do. Suddenly, whoosh, a giant wave rose tall, bigger than the monkeys, bigger than them all. 1, 2, 3, duck, they shouted in fear. But the wave came crashing with a splash you could hear. They tumbled, they bumbled, a silly monkey heap. And when the water settled, they popped up with a peep. All five monkeys laughing, dripping like a stool. Best splash ever in the big monkey pool.